Hey, welcome back. Take a slow breath in and gently out. Just arrive here for a moment. No rush, nowhere else to be. Today, we are going to explore something subtle but incredibly powerful, the role of attention, focus, and awareness. And as always, I want you to experience this, not just understand it. Let me ask you something simple. Right now, what are you paying attention to? My voice? Your thoughts? Something happening around you? Whatever your answer is, that's your attention. And here's the key, your experience is shaped by what you pay attention to. If your attention is scattered, your perception becomes unclear. Your attention is steady, everything becomes sharper. Now let's take it one step further. Attention is where your mind goes. Focus is how long it stays there. Have you ever tried to concentrate, but your mind keeps drifting? That's completely normal. Your brain is designed to scan, to explore. But when you gently train your focus, something changes. You begin to notice subtle details, small shifts in behavior, emotional cues you missed before. And this is where deeper perception begins. Now, this is the most important part. Awareness is different. Awareness is the part of you that notices everything, your thoughts, your emotions, your surroundings, even your attention itself. It's like stepping back and observing. Let me ask you something. Can you notice your own thoughts right now? If yes, then who is noticing them? That is awareness. Why this matters for connection? Let's gently connect this to our journey. If your attention is scattered, you miss signal. You're weak. If your focus is weak, you don't stay with what matters. Your awareness is low, you don't even realize what's happening. But when all three come together, you become more present, more sensitive, more connected. You start picking up things like slight change in tone, a pause before someone speaks, a shift in energy or mood, and suddenly communication feels deeper, almost effortless. This is your foundation. Before anything that feels like telepathy, this is the foundation. Not magic, not force, but clear attention, stable focus, open awareness. This is what allows your mind to process information more deeply and more accurately. A simple practice for you. Let's try something together. Look around you slowly. Pick one object. Now place your full attention on it. Notice shape, its color, its texture. If your mind drifts, gently bring it back. Now step back slightly. Be aware of object, thoughts, or breathing. At the same time, this is awareness expanding. Take a breath and relax. You don't need to push your mind. You don't need to try harder. You simply need to become more present because when you truly pay attention, start seeing what was always there, and that changes everything. In the next lesson, we'll explore something deeper, energy, vibration, and human perception from a grounded scientific perspective. And I'll help you understand this without confusion or exaggeration. I'll see you there.